because ke le Kenneth Mashaba ke nagana gore nka dira sengwe le sengwe se ke se batlang. Lucky Mr. S as a thing. Mr. Mashaba, or he would have put you right in your place.
Bye, Queenie.
Oh, that was fast. So, do you know na sa batla go bona?
O reng o sa go tlemana la gago tšo mo ditageng jaaka?
What a rude man.
Yes.
Skulu. Go ya bjang ka mogwera ka wa potego.
Funanwen.
Au, o šetše o lebetse. Se tlhapa ka maswe se ba reng ke Priska, of course.
Hey, lo ngeke kwenzeke man.
O sure?
Ngizokunikeza isiqalo mahala.
No, ke nyaka go patela.
Kodwa lalela.
Ga o se leso ka se dirang, ke nyaka Priska. Wa tseba ke na le molora. Ke mo swara-swara, ke mo dira dilo.
You are going to push me too far, Kenneth.
Ke yona ntewe ke lebeletseng. Ke nyaka go bona gore breaking point ya gago e ko kae. Le gore o ka sacrifice Priska mo godimo ga morwa wa gago le mawate na.
South Africa's entertainment industry is mourning the loss of a veteran actor, Sebutla Sebogodi, whose remarkable career on stage and screen spanned decades and left an indelible mark on the country's cultural landscape. Sebogodi passed away on the evening of 15 July 2026 after suffering complications related to diabetes, according to the statement issued by his immediate family and shared on Actor Spaces. His family described him as a gifted performer whose passion for storytelling inspired generations of audiences, fellow actors, and aspiring artists. The statement reads as follows: Sebutla Sebogodi leaves behind an extraordinary legacy in South African theatre and television. He will be remembered for his memorable performances in Generations, Suburban Bliss, Bophelo ke Sempheko, Redemption, and most recently Scandal, as well as his acclaimed theatre work in productions including Big Dada, Waiting for Godot, The Rivonia Trial, Once a Pirate, and Moy Street Moves, among many others. His legacy will live on through his remarkable body of work and the many lives he touched. Best known to millions of television viewers for his portrayal of the ruthless Kenneth Mashaba in Generations, Sebogodi built a reputation as one of South Africa's most accomplished and versatile actors, whether portraying complex villains on televisions or commanding the stage in acclaimed theatre productions. He brought depth, authenticity, and emotional power to every role. His extensive body of work reflected a career that effortlessly bridged classical theatre, contemporary drama, and mainstream television. From performances in Bophelo ka Sempheko, Scandal in Generations, to celebrated stage productions such as Waiting for Godot, The Rivonia Trial, Big Dada, Once a Pirate, and Moy Street Moves. Sebogodi consistently demonstrated exceptional range and artistic excellence. Remarkably, the veteran actor remained devoted to his craft until the very end. Just a week ago, before his passing, he presented Black Moon at the National Arts Festival in Makhanda. Production explored themes of pain, identity, religion, and South Africa's complex history, subjects that reflected the thoughtful and socially conscious storytelling that became synonymous with his career. News of Sebogodi's death has triggered an overwhelming wave of tributes from colleagues, fans, and members of the arts community. Many remembering him not only as an extraordinary performer, but also as a generous mentor who nurtured young talent and freely shared his knowledge with others. A message of condolences continue to pour in. Many have reflected on the profound influence he had on South African theatre and television, describing him as a towering figure whose commitment to the arts helped shape the country's creative landscape. The Sebogodi family has requested privacy as they mourn their loss and make arrangements during this difficult period. With his passing, South Africa loses far more than a celebrated actor. It loses a master storyteller, a respected mentor, and a cultural icon whose performances will continue to resonate with audiences for generations. His legacy lives on through the unforgettable characters he brought to life and enduring impact he made on the nation's performing arts. May his soul rest in peace. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.